Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching Digit Bytes. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix unable to change your Game Center profile picture on Mac. So if your Game Center profile picture isn't changing or the new profile picture doesn't save after you select it, it could simply be because the profile wasn't uploaded correctly or your Game Center account hasn't refreshed yet. In many cases, opening the profile customization page again and selecting the new profile picture resolves the issue without needing any advanced troubleshooting. So if you're facing the problem, here's how to fix it. First, click on the Apple logo at the top and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Game Center. Now here click on Customize Profile and it will open the profile. Now here click on the current profile and choose the different memoji or monogram you want to set. Now confirm the change if you have asked to, or you can click on the save button right here. After that, wait for a few moments for Game Center to update the profile, and if the picture still does not change, restart your Mac and check your Game Center profile again. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.